Hey guys, new update. Yes, new update. I'm going to have a different cadence. This isn't cadence anymore. The reason this was cadence is because I couldn't find the cadence I usually use when I'm playing. So, but I really wanted to do two of my favorite MLP songs, and they both had cadence in them, especially this area. Like, she's the only one that sings, or, well, like, her body and stuff. And you'll play your part, or whatever it's called. So, this is the new cadence. It looks more like it, doesn't it? And this is, well, yeah, I can't say words today. Young Luna. Okay? So, just a normal P update. Also, my thing is leaning against something, so it's not shaky. Yay. Then I switched the camera around, like it's not from the back. This is actually from the front. You can switch the camera around while you're taking videos on iPhone and stuff. So, yeah. So, MLP update. Princesses. Look. Her older self. Yep. So, peace.